All right, as you guys did the investigation last week, we were talking about slope. So slope is a change in y over a change in x. And what that means is you're talking about subtracting the x values in the denominator and subtracting the y values in the numerator. And you're always going to write it or think about it as a fraction, especially when you're talking about graphing. We're not going to do a whole lot of graphing in this chapter, but this is just a reminder. When you're talking about terminology as far as independent and dependent, independent is what you get to choose or control. And the dependent then is your answer based on those choices or those control. Now, most of us understand that time is usually your x or something like that. When you're looking at this question here, though, you're thinking about it a little bit differently. In this case, you're watching the gas gauge to see how much he has left as he drives. So what he's driving is his choice, how many miles he can go. And then the control of that, or what's being controlled by that driving, is the gas. So in this case, you're talking about gallons per mile, not miles per gallon. Gallons per, meaning divide, miles. So as you're writing your equation and answering the rest of these questions, that's what you want to make sure you're thinking about. It's a little bit tricky, so make sure you're paying attention to that.